What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and I'm getting off another lesson call. A lot of people been doubting the Cashout glitch. A lot of people think it's fake. But if you're somebody who really want to get some money, really investing in yourself, you're going to get the lessons. You're going to really learn what's going on. There's somebody who got their lessons, somebody who learned about the Cashout glitch, who really learned how to make some money. Let them know what you got and let them know what you learned.
Man, I got the whole deal. I got the whole lesson on the breakdown. He broke down to me the cash out glitch from A to Z. You gotta really pay attention. It's all about the 3 P's: perception, product, promotion. That's what it is.
What you learned about the Cashout glitch?
I learned about like how to do it correctly using the IPs, the configuration. Can't say too much, but it's really simple. Really simple.
Yeah, exactly. That people be like, "Oh man, y'all the method, y'all this and." Hey man, stop hating. This Cash App glitch is really real. Now I can't vouch for nobody else and say that they really selling information, but the glitch in my information is 100% real. I broke down 100% how it worked, right, and it makes sense, right?
Absolutely. That's not no cap shit. Like all them haters, man, they can look at this.
Did I pay you to say this, bro?
No.
Listen, this is a real. Let me show y'all, cause y'all like, "Oh man, he." I can't show y'all that right there. Oh, let me. That's his card information that I just sent him. He, you know what I'm saying? I just sent you the card and all that, didn't I?
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah, I just sent him that. But yeah, boom. Said I was on call, price, time, and all that. Let him know. I called you on time and all that, right?
Absolutely. Yup.
Hey, man, say, man. Listen. If y'all think it's a game and y'all still out here and make no money, you hating and can't even got a play chat, that's on you. We making money over here. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Come and get y'all lessons. Tap in and get this Cash App glitch. Even tap in and get y'all World Tour t-shirts with the Cash App glitch and one free live card, man, because it could change your life. So make sure y'all tapping in another vouch video. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next vouch video. Peace.